Hi, this is Redmi Note 12S and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just tap my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint to see how fast this feature is and does it work. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.